Hey y'all, what's up? This is your girl E checking in. Happy Monday, you guys. Your girl just got off work, as you can see. Yes, ma'am. I am going to cook breakfast, you guys. I am making waffles and shrimp. So yeah, stay tuned. If you are new here, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like our channel. But your girl is super tired, you guys. But let me go ahead and start making our breakfast, all right? So yeah, continue watching. All right, you guys, here's the shrimp that I am gonna use. Okay. Yeah, I am super hungry. Let's go ahead and get this started. It's easy peel, even entails on. Okay, you guys. All right, we're just gonna let them soak in the water so they can, defrost. Then I'll be back. Which one? Which one, y'all? This one? You know what? I drink that one too often. So I'm gonna go ahead and the toasted marshmallow mocha. All right, we're gonna do that one. Pop it open. Bottom. I am going to make this for Bae. I like this one though. Alright, you guys, I thought I had some whipped cream, but the top is broke. It's not working, so we're just gonna make it do what it do. Yeah, so here's my coffee, y'all. So stay tuned. Alright, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and peel the shrimp. Okay, this is how I do it. And there is no boo-boo, okay? It's already clean. I don't know if I should keep the tail on. I keep the tail on. Now my shrimp is nice and clean, so we are going to season it. All right, I am going to use some Cajun seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, a little bit of Goya adobo, and some shrimp and crab boil, just maybe a drop, and black pepper. Ooh. You guys, I thought I was recording the whole time, but I guess not. And I did use some garlic powder as well. All right, you guys, here's the final product. Right now I am getting ready to fix the plate, you guys. Here is the shrimp, looking so delish. You hear me? Look at this shrimp. Let's get a little bit closer. So good, you guys. And here's the waffles. Yes, ma'am. They're all right here looking so good. I'm gonna add some butter on top of the waffles, you guys. You know, just like, you know, fix it the way you like it. And yeah, you guys, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, here's the final product, you guys. It looks so good, you guys. It looks so good. Look at it, y'all. Looks super good. And I still have this here for the kids. They already got his plate. He went to work. So yeah, you guys, like I said, this video is not all that, okay? So yeah, leave your comment down below. Be nice. All right, so like I said earlier, you guys, I just got off work around 7. I made it here around maybe 8:30. But yeah, you guys, this is what I got, and I'm gonna tear this up, baby. Yes, ma'am. So yeah, comment down below, let your girl know what y'all think. Let's go ahead and close this. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Baby. Yeah. Looks so good. And feel free to add whatever topping you guys want to add, whatever sauce, whatever you want to use. So feel free to do so. So yeah, I'm out, y'all. I'm gonna eat. I love you all so much, e-babes. Until next time, Don't forget to always put God first. Don't forget, y'all. God is an awesome God. Thank you, Jesus, for this brunch, baby. I'm out. I'm out of here. Bye, y'all. Love you all.